viewers, in case if you want to disassemble this HP M15w model, how to disassemble it, stay with me, watch the complete video. You have to remove these all screws from the downside because this top cover will, we can lift it up. But how? First of all, like, you cannot open. First of all, we have to remove these screws. Top screws and the screws at the downside. We will remove all screws to disassemble this printer. In case you required any technical problem, if you have to fix how can you disassemble, just watch this video. There are some hooks, you have to pull this from here. Make sure that you have to fix it back like this, so don't break anything. Move just with cleanliness. Lock behind. Okay. This top cover should, you can lift like this. Now if you want to lift this all mechanism outside, you have to remove the screw from the down. I want to see something over here because this printer is not rotating the heater. Okay, fine. Just I want to let you know that if you want to disassemble the complete inner and outside, you have to remove these screws also. I'm not going to remove this because I need this work over here till the fuser. So if you want to disassemble it, disassemble it that way. And if you want to lift this up, everything from inside, you have to remove these all screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws you must remove, and then you can lift this machine up from with the hand. Hope you understand the method. If you have any problem with this model M15w, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.